Hey guys, my name is Gabia and I'm going to show you how to achieve this bronzy skin and graphic liner look. I'm starting off by moisturizing my face with the DreamTeam 3-in-1 Moisturizer. It's both a moisturizer and an eye mask. And I am using the Give Beauty Icy in Color Danger Zone palette. I start with the shade Your Ghosts and I apply that as a base color all over the eyelid all the way up to the brow bone. Then I apply the shade Too Late also with the same brush just into the crease, kind of bringing it out. Next I'm using the Painted Up Mousse eyeshadow in the shade Midriff. I absolutely love this eyeshadow and I am applying that with an eyeshadow brush and kind of packing it on and then blending it out with the same angled shadow brush I was using earlier. I don't really have any fallout, so I'm just going to move on to my skin before I do the eyeliner. I am using the Unfiltered Tinted Mineral Sunscreen in the shade Aurora and I am applying this with a fluffy foundation brush. I'm applying a nice even layer all over my face and I am also bringing it down to my neck so I don't look like a floating head. This shade is a little warm for me, but I don't care. I love how bronzy and glowy this makes me look. I am using the Game Face Concealer and the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I use the Game Face Concealer underneath my eyes because it's lightweight and it doesn't crease, and then I use the NARS Concealer for any blemishes. I'm going to powder my face with a Maybelline Loose Powder in the shade 01 Light in the T-zone just to get rid of that excess shininess. For contour, I am doing Stack the Odds in the shade Sassy Pants, and I'm doing just a very light contour, just a little bit below my cheekbones, all the way into the temple. Since I'm going for more bronzy look, I am instead using the Merit Beauty Cheek Color in the shade Terracotta to give me this nice bronzy finish. Now for the lips, I'm actually going to do a concealer lip. So I reapply a thin layer of the Game Face Concealer over my lips, and then I line my lips with a nude lip liner. In this case, I'm using the Pen Pal in a Rouge, and it's like the perfect nude lip, and I just pop a gloss on top of that and just blend until I get this really beautiful, nice nude glossy lip. Okay, and now we are going back to the eyes, and for liner, I am using the Give Beauty liner in the shade Spiderwebs just to tight line my lashes. For the eyeliner, I am using the Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid liner. To start, the first line is how I normally do my winged liner. It is thinner towards the inner corners and gets thicker as it reaches the outer corners. Now for the lower line, I start actually at the outer corner and I work my way back into it, and I cut it off right towards the middle of my eye to give it that cat eye effect. This is my absolute favorite liner right now. It's super inky, it dries down fast, and I love the way this applies. Now for the third line, I actually use my hooded eyes to my advantage. I start the line where I see my hooded eye line starts and kind of play off that effect to create that third line. However, when I'm looking down, you can kind of see it almost looks like a little triangle. I curl my lashes with the Tweezerman curler, and then I use the Give Beauty Can't Stop Staring mascara and pack on like 4 or 5 layers to really give that falsies effect. I also line the bottom as well, just about midway where the liner stops. Then I add mascara down there as well. For brows, I am using the Glad Girl Retractable Brow Liner and the setting gel. And I really just fill in any gaps that I see just to keep that very natural looking brow. And then I brush upwards with a setting gel. And there you have it. Super easy, super pretty. I absolutely love how this looks. And this is what it looks like after 2.5 hours. I went and got lasers, so I was wearing glasses, and I ate a sandwich. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.